Welcome back to this lecture. In this lecture, we're going to start building our charts. And before we do that, let's select this entire section like this, Control X, and go down a little bit and paste it. So now this would be our place for preparing charts. And the first chart would be for the product distribution or product level performance chart. That is mobile phone, smart TV, home theater system, gadgets, and accessories. So we're going to prepare sales and GP chart basically. And for that I have selected this entire data like this, and I'll go up, go to insert, and we need 2D clustered column chart like this. Let's make it a little bit bigger to work. And first thing we're gonna do, select data like this and remove cost of sales and direct cost, because we only want to show sales and gross percentage in absolute value, and click OK. Now you can change the color of this bar. So sales bar, I want something blue. So format data series, go to fill, solid fill. I want a blue color like this. And for the gross profit, I want gray color like this. Now we need to bring this gross profit series as a secondary axis. So when you select it, you'll see the format data series, and there you select secondary axis like this. And now it is overlapping because the axes are not same. So let's do that. For sales, the axis starts from 0 till 350. While for the gross profit, because it is automatically detecting from the data, the axis, it's incorrect, is starting from 0 to 140. So double click here and you'll have this format axis dialog box on the right side. Go to axis options again, and here for the maximum, put 350. And now the both axes are similar, and now the chart looks better. Go to the gross profit series like this by selecting here, or you can go to format, and on the left side you'll see series option, select GP series, and here we're gonna reduce the size of the bar. Similarly for the sales, we're gonna increase the thickness. Now the basic structure is ready. Now the chart title we're going to use later, but let's bring this to top, the legend. Left top corner. And we don't need the background bars like this, and also we don't need the axis options. Now since we have removed the axis options, we need to bring in the data label. So right click and bring data label like this. Similarly for gross profit, right click, add data labels. And here we're going to select this entire chart like this and go to the home and select a custom font of your choice. Here I have downloaded Lato font. I'm going to select that. Let's bold them, and also the font color is dark gray. I want completely black. Let's make it bold here, here, and here. The chart title, we're going to adjust it later. We're going to change it later once we prepare the other two column charts, which are for gross profit percentage and net profit percentage.